Hey everyone, this is Nick with Gold Coast Flooring, and today I'm doing a carpet restretch job in Citrus Heights, California. And this is the carpet that we're working with today. It's a 2-bedroom, living room and stairs. It's a condominium over here in Citrus Heights. And we're just going to stretch the 2 bedrooms upstairs, the hallway, and then the living room downstairs. We're not going to stretch the stairs today. And overall, the carpet's in good condition. They just bought the property and they had the carpets cleaned, I guess. And after having the carpets cleaned, they noticed that the carpet relaxed a bit, and that's how the ripples formed. And so we're just going to come in here, pull up the carpet and stretch it in the length and then stretch it in the width and just get it nice and tight, and have it ready for them before they move all the furniture in. This is the best time to get everything stretched over. And this is the final result after stretching. You can see that the carpet is drum tight. That was me pushing with all my body weight, and I couldn't even make a wrinkle if I wanted to. And so this is the final result. And the job is fairly quick when all the furniture is out. I got here about 10 o'clock, and after getting started, maybe about 10:15, I'm finishing up around 12:15, so about 2 hours to get everything stretched over. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything looks really nice. The homeowner is very excited to have everything nice and tight. And if you need carpet stretching services or carpet repairs and carpet cleaning in the Citrus Heights, California area, give us a call today at 916-312-7000. Thanks for watching.